All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Just giving you a warning, this video is going to be all over the place just because of the way that I've recorded it, so bear with me. But anyways, I went ahead and finished the wire pull from yesterday. Just had the coil of wire sitting right here by the door. Ran that down, zip tied it, mounted a J-hook and a box extension, and then did the RJ45 connections, and my coworker mounted the thermostats already, so you can't see what I did. And then worked with a couple coworkers, and we worked on this long giant wire pull from that panel right there up through the ceiling, this green wire, the Cat 5E. So it goes from this panel room across the hallway into this room, and then taking a quick right on through the J-hooks, and then going north in the video, and then taking a left again. I think they said it was about 200 feet. I'm not sure. But this is going across the whole building, across the open way, and then into the mechanical room. So from that other side of the wall, it comes through and then shoots right across into this pipe, which goes directly across the whole building, which I will show you right here. But a quick appreciation video for, first of all, the scaffolding, but it goes to that room over there. But appreciation post for all the nice looking wood in this building, super cool, stout. And then because they built this little platform right here for the stairs, they had to set up the scaffolding, so they kind of shot themselves in the foot. If they would have just passed on the stairs, they could have finished the ceiling. So now they had to install all the scaffolding for the sheetrock on the ceiling, which was kind of funny, but anyways, that's their problem. And then, so we pulled the wire in through that one pipe, which you already missed. So it goes in through the middle pipe, and then it goes through the box, back through the box, through the north pipe. And then I'll get back to that later. And then the second half of the day, we worked on pulling these two black air tubes, kind of starting here in the middle of the video. And I did forget to pull out these loops when I pushed the back through that wall. So I'm going to have to shorten this up because I already spliced these together just with the little brass connector for the two air tubes right here, if you can barely see that up there, if you pause the video. So I'll have to fix that. But these pipes start from the roof. At least one of them started from the roof right here. Which you can't really see. So it goes from the roof through that room that I just showed you, and then where the video started, going through that giant, like 4-inch going downstairs. I'll show you that in a second. But the second one goes over to the next room into this little hatch right there. And then downstairs on the other side of the 4-inch, both of those black air tubes go through this room, come into the next room, and then go down through the J-hooks. And then I believe they are both coiled up into the hallway right here on the other side of the wall. Actually, one might split off and go to the left, so stand by. So there's a coil right there. It looks like both of them are actually coiled right there. And then another appreciation / post for the wood beams, which are very nice, which they like clear coated and stained so they kind of pop. And then there's our pipe from the first part of the video for the Cat 5E again, which I will show you inside this room. So if you remember, it started upstairs, went across the building, went in through the pipe, back through the pipe, and then across the ceiling. Now it's going down the wall. So it goes literally pretty much across the whole building, or at least most of the building. So that took a while with a couple guys, a couple apprentices. And then that coils up right there. All right, guys, sorry if that was really extremely confusing, but let me just break it down for you. At the beginning of the day, started with the Cat 5, finished that, running that wire down into the box. Then I went through and terminated both ends of the 3 Cat 5s. So I added 6 RJ45 connectors on both sides, tested those, made sure everything worked, and then started the wire pull, which we started halfway through the building, and then tied on the second Cat 5E, and then ran both of those downstairs, coiled those up downstairs, and then at the end of the day, or second half of the day, worked on the 2 air tubes, which started from the roof. I don't know if both started from the roof, but one of them did. And then one of them, see, this is the part that confuses me. One of them like splits off on the second story, and then somehow there's 2 again, which go through the room downstairs, and then coiled up outside in the hallway and the first floor. So hopefully that made sense. But anyways, thanks guys for watching. I appreciate it. Woke up with a really bad pain in my back, so I could barely walk, so that was fun. I don't know what that was all about, but it still really hurts. But I'm glad it's the weekend now, and try to bring you guys a video tomorrow. But anyways, appreciate your support as always. Don't forget to check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I think I just said that on the subscribe part. Anyways, I'd appreciate the support, and it would mean a lot to me. Love you guys. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.